Everyone, welcome back to Embark to Speak. One of the biggest questions that will daunt our mind, which is nothing but how to start thinking English. So, today I am going to give 3 simple tips that helped me to start thinking in English so easily, no partner needed. Tip number 1, start with self talk. Begin by narrating your daily actions in simple English. For example, I am brushing my teeth. I'm washing my face. I'm reading a book. I'm watching a video. Do it slightly in your head or else out loud. If you are alone, you can do it out loud. By that, you can speak as well as you can start thinking. This will train your brain to shift all your native language thoughts into English language. So, do this simple and easy exercise in order to start thinking. This is the tip number 1 that helped me. Coming to tip number 2, describe and name the things and objects around you. For example, look around you and name the objects. For example, I can see table, I can see mobile, and I can see laptop as well in front of me. So try to name the objects. Whatever the object that you see, try to name that. If you name that object, it will help you to frame a sentences also. For example, if I'm seeing a laptop, how much does the laptop cost? Mobile, how can I use my mobile to learn English? Table, who is going to sit on the table? Like this, if you frame and describe the things what you see around you, it will going to give a boost up for you, and as well as you can naturally frame your sentences without fear and any fumbleness. So try to name the things around you and describe those things. Tip number 3, mini visual story. If you see anything, any object or anything in front of you, try to visualize a mini English story on that object. For example, if I see any dog on a street, I will visualize like this. The dog is barking and the dog is chasing a ball and the dog is in white color. So like this, if you create a mini story with the basic simple sentences, this will help you to practice your grammar, vocabulary, and as well as you can frame a beautiful sentences out of it when you visualize something about the object. So this is the best tip I can say, because when you visualize, it is going to be stored in your subconscious mind. No need to put efforts to learn any grammar, any vocabulary. You don't need to give a lot of time and pressure towards it. So start visualizing a mini English stories whatever you see. So these are the 3 simple steps that helped me to start thinking English. You no need to burn any midnight oil to start thinking English. You can do it as simple as by following these 3 steps that I gave you. Now we discussed 3 tips, right? Just recall those 3 tips what we gone through. First one is start with self-talk. Second one is name and describe the objects around you. Third one is visualize mini English story with the objects that you see. So this 3 tips is going to help you a lot, and it will change your game how to start thinking English. So don't need to put any efforts in order to start thinking English, because when you start thinking English, naturally the flow of English sentences will come out of your mouth. So no need to worry, no need to bother anymore. Just follow these 3 tips. Just follow these 3 tips. It is going to help you really well, and let me know in the comments how many of you are going to follow these 3 tips and which tip you are going to start with first. So if you like this video, don't forget to give your free thumbs up to this video, because it will boost me up to create more such kind of wonderful content in order to help you out. So if you don't want to miss any of the video that is coming in future, try to subscribe my channel and share it with a friend who are struggling to think in English. Don't forget to give a like. Bye.